Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we're working on the Fiesta here again, that's Fiesta Mk7. And in today's video, we'll show you guys how to remove and replace rear door window on that Fiesta. If you have a Fiesta from 2008 to 2017 model and you're wondering how to replace that window, stay with us guys. Left and right side will be identical. We're going to demonstrate on the right side, so let's start on it now. More than 200 videos guys will be made on that Fiesta, so if you need anything, let us know. Please subscribe, give us a like. Okay guys, so what we'll need to do, okay, those are the tools that we'll be using. Panel removal tools, screwdrivers. We really like those because they come with everything we need for those jobs, and we'll have the links for all the parts, okay, and tools that we use in the description of the video guys. So we're trying to save you some time, okay. So now we'll need to remove, okay, that cap. Okay, we need to open that cap, and okay, you can see we pulled it out. Okay, it has three teeth, so you have to be careful how you install that one later. Okay, we're going to get a Phillips screwdriver, okay, and we will remove, okay, that screw now. Okay, almost out. Okay, perfect. Now we have a few more things to do. We will need a Torx 25, this is the star looking bit, okay, and longer screwdriver, okay, like that. Okay, right here there is two more. Okay, let me get some light here. So you see that there is two more screws, and those are different than the one that we already removed. Okay, one is out, one more to go. Okay, second one is almost out now. Okay, perfect. Next we need to get a trim removal tool, and right here we need to pry that cap out of here. Okay, let me show you where the clip is on the bottom side. Okay, that's where it goes. Then stay with us. Once we remove the door panel, I'm going to show you where all the clips are, so you don't damage your door panel. Okay, and if you get usually your fingers underneath, you can pull it, but it might be really tight guys, because it really depends if it's been removed before or not. So we're going to go again. Okay, you can see it started popping. Okay, now right here on top we need to be careful. There is usually one more clip, I believe. Okay, perfect. Now we need to disconnect the cable. Let me show you how that happens, and I'm going to demonstrate what happened with some of the clips. So this cable now, okay, let me get some light on. Okay, this piece right here, okay, you need to, okay, push it towards the back. Okay, on both sides. Okay, and you pull it out. When you're ready to install it, okay, all you have to do, okay, bring the panel close to the thing. Okay, go in an angle like that. Okay, the panel is still a little bit short because the cable is short. I'm trying to get the camera in there. And next you will just, okay, need to click it like that, and it's stuck. And when you need to remove it, just press the thing, pull it out. Now we have the wires for the switch guys. That's for the window switch. And let's twist it so we can show you how to do that now. Okay, so there is one tooth there that you need to push back. I'm going to show you once we pull the cable. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, this one, okay, right here, it needs to go back, and then you pull the wires out. Now we have a problem guys. Okay, now we have some clips that actually stayed on the door, so we need to go ahead and remove those. Okay, you can see the white clips. Hope that was the head. Okay, we need to pull those things out, okay, and install them on the panel, otherwise you will not be able to install the door panel later. Okay, one is out, just one more to go. If you need replacement clips, we use some, so we'll share the link. Okay, and this one as well, you can see it's not all the way in, so you need to push it in, and those you just go from the bigger hole and you just push it. Okay, just like that. Okay, now let me show you where all the clips are. Okay, on the door panel, so you know where to apply pressure. Okay, so this is the front side. Okay, you have 3 right here. Okay guys, so we removed, okay, the window, okay, 1 second, the window switch from the panel. Okay, so we can move the window up and down. Here you have 2 covers that you need to remove. One there that we already peeled off, careful not to break them for that hole, and the one there. From here we are going to access the bolt for the rear window. Okay, this one came off, so you can reglue them later. Okay, just like that. Now with the ignition on, we're going to bring the window down until we get the bolts. Okay, right there, 1 bolt and another bolt here. So what we'll need to do now, guys, okay, we'll need to get a 10mm. Okay, right here we have with the screwdriver set a 10mm socket, and we're going, okay, just to turn them, okay, 1 or 2 revolutions. Okay, and this one is really tight. Okay, so we'll need to get a ratchet. Okay, so we need to get a ratchet because it's really tight. Get them loose only a couple revolutions, guys, don't take them off all the way. Okay, second one as well. Perfect. Next we'll bring the window all the way down. Okay, and you can hold the window with 1 hand, okay, and gently drop it there. Okay, and careful not to drop it all the way fast to break or anything like that. Next we'll need to pull that seal out of the groove there. Okay, and you need to pull it all the way out. Okay, like that. Here, let me turn the light on. Okay, we have 2 screws with Torx. Okay, so with Torx 20, okay, right here, we're going to remove the 2 screws now. Okay, this one is almost out. Okay, and second one over there now. Okay, perfect. Next we need to remove, okay, that seal right here. After that we need to lift on this side. Okay, that seal is very important how you remove it, because if you bend it, it will be visible later. Okay, so it just needs to go like that. Okay, you can see, okay, there is 1 canal right here that's on top of the plastic, prevents it from going up. Now you're going to slide it up until it comes out. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, perfect. Next you can grab the window with 2 hands, careful not to break it. Okay, and you can, okay, slide it out. It goes only 1 certain way, guys. Okay, and the whole window, you can see, door window comes out. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, so that's how you remove the rear door window. You install it in reverse order, you took it apart. The only important thing is you have to go in the canals, okay, right here on this side and the other side as well. And on auto repair, guys, we have a video how to adjust the window if it doesn't close all the way. Okay, but basically that's how you do it. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.